generation probability. Here the probability of producing the query is given by using the maximum likelihood estimation and a unigram assumption. This equation is given where MD is the language model of document and TFD is the frequency of term T. So the classical problem is that some words which are not having appeared in a document at all but are possible words for the information needed. So if we estimate T by MD equals to 0 for a term missing for a document D, then we get the strict conjunctive semantic document will only given a query for non-zero probability if all the query terms appear in a document. So the zero probability are clearly a problem of other using the language model. So the to understand the approach of language model approach better is to appreciate the rule of smoothing. In this model is not only to avoid the zero probability. We need the smooth probability in our document language model. So the discount non-zero probability and to give some probability mass to unseen words, that's a wide space of approach to the smoothing probability. So such examples is one, we have to add one, half, or a discounting and interpretation. We will mention of couple of other smoothing methods. So general approach is that non-occurring terms should be possible in a query, but its probability should be somewhat close to but not likely that would be expected by chance for the whole collection. So this equation is given a simple idea that work well in a practice to mixture between a document specific multinomial distribution and a multinomial distribution estimated from the entire collection. Equation established in a language model built for the entire document collection. This mix the probability from the document with the general collection frequency, which is referred to be a linear interpolation language model. So correctly setting lambda is important for the good performance of this module. So we using the Bayesian updating process, we then get the following equation. Both of these smoothing methods have been shown to perform well in IR experiments. While different in details, they are both conceptually similar. In both cases, the probability estimates for a whole words present in a document combine a discounted and a fraction of the estimate of its. Then smoothing is essential to good property of models. So summarize with this document estimation is that the retrieval ranking for the query queue under the basic language model for the information retrieval we have been considered an equation. This equation is for the user have a document in a mind and generate the query for this document. Thank you for watching my video.